How to track recent claims and EOBs using BCBS. To track recent claims and EOBs using the Blue Cross Blue Shield app or website, you can follow up this process. So head over to the website of the app and log in. Look out for the login option and log in through your account. And once you are logged in, you will be finding this particular interface. Now you can basically head over, and once you are in this interface in your main page, you can easily find claim activity, the recent ones here. But if you'd like to go ahead and view the more, you can look out for the claims or payment history section at the very top. Look out for that option and click on it. And once you go ahead and click on it, you will be finding two options, claims and explanation of benefits, what we are looking for. So head over and click on it. And once you click on it, it will show you all of the summary, the details. You can search and filter claims based on various criteria like claim date, status, type of provider. You can basically go ahead and expand it up if you'd like to view more. And that's it. If you'd like to go ahead and look out for EOBs, you can basically go ahead and usually view the detailed explanation of benefits, and the EOB will provide up a breakdown of the services, cost, and how your insurance covers the expenses. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.